at every single slot.
Right, one of those has to go in every single slot.
So that was taking too long, so
Yeah.
this is the new design we came up with. And now what we do is put the piece in.
Right, way easier.
Way easier, and it covers.
So you were able to put the pins in the actual mold part here.
Yeah.
And so now you're just moving this larger part.
Yep.
Much easier than all those different little pins you had to line up.
Yeah, because what we did is we just created a webbing.
Right.
So you can see the back.
Yeah.
And then place our plugs where we needed to cover.
Right. Right. Way easier. And then if you're not dropping things on the floor, none of that.
No, everything's already set on the shield. We don't have to worry about losing pieces or anything.
Yeah.
The most, once in a while they'll break one or two of these, but we'll just replace that.
How long do these last? How many cycles or how many months?
We've done this one. I say we've had it for almost 9 months.
How many?
9 months.
9 months. Wow.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I mean, they hold perfect.
And they're holding it better than the metal. They're not scratching the parts.
Not at all.
Wow.
It's
Okay.
soft enough where this will break before we damage any type of panel.
That's great. And if this breaks, you just print a new one, or you just print a new piece there?
Print a new one, which I already have in stock.
Yeah.
All I do is unscrew it, and then screw the new one in.
Cool.
Place, and
Piece of cake.
Yeah.
That's really cool.